Hey guys, Isaiah here with Blackout Tinting, and it is Wednesday. That means we're doing what's in the shop. We got a lot of... One second, hold on. Hey, what's up? What do you mean you got hit by a plow? Yeah, Nate, you there? John, I gotta go.
Yeah, it's really bad. I think we're good. I got probably about 10 minutes till he comes back. So it's What's in the Shop Wednesday. I'm back hosting. So let's go check out what we got going on all around the bays. All right, guys. So we're in the tint bay. Terrell, like always, is killing it with tint. He's doing fronts and sunroof on this Audi. Unfortunately, he does not have the help of Kevin today, but that just means he gets to put his headphones in and listen to Mariah Carey as much as he wants today. Moving on into the ceramic department, we have this new Range Rover. We tinted with our XR film yesterday. Currently, Caleb is putting a coating on it, getting a fusion coating, of course. Then behind us here is a Escalade. It seems to be our most favorite vehicle now, along with Corvette C8s. This is getting the full windshield done. It's getting PPF. I believe it's getting a coating too. Don't quote me on the coating part. Know for sure it got full front clip and it's getting windshield tint. As you guys know from a previous episode, the wrap is done on this Vet. It's going to be getting a interior coating and a fusion coating. This customer is getting as much protected as humanly possible. This Toyota Tacoma, it's here for a coating. Looks like Caleb has gotten the wheels coated because that one looks pretty shiny. Guessing he's gonna probably be working his way up to this. I know he was polishing it yesterday. So we got this Range Rover up here. Aaron's hard at work on it, doing the full front clip. Did A-pillars, I believe, as well. Also got XR tint. Now that we got Aaron up here, it's just you and I. No one's watching this, no one's listening, so if you just want to get close to my chest here and just let me know, that 4Runner, was it gray or green?
It's green.
All right, well, we're just going to pretend you didn't say that. Jimmy over here, he's doing a wear and tear, it looks like, on this. Getting this Denali all nice and done. We tinted this yesterday. It's getting full front clip and rockers as well. I think it's getting coated. Pretty sure it's getting coated. Getting coated too. We also have this red Corvette here. Did some work previously on it. We found out that it had some stuff under the film. It looks like it may have been resprayed, so we have that marked for the customer to come and take a look at it. As far as stuff inside, that's pretty much it. We're gonna brave the weather conditions, go outside, see what we got going on out there. All right, guys, we're outside. Looks like the Bills-Bengals game. There's some snow on the ground, but I think we'll be able to make it through it. So first up, we got a AMG Black Series, a C63 here. One of 75 apparently in the world. We previously tinted this in the fall with our XR line. It's in for a full body stealth wrap to protect the matte gray paint. Next to it, we have a Ram here. Currently has some snow on it from the storm this morning, but it's getting a fusion coating. It just hasn't been pulled in quite yet. Next to that, we got our Ceramic Manager's beautiful GLI aired out. Looks great. After that, yeah, it's still here. This black Denali was in for a paint correction. Customer got some swirls and stuff from a car wash. He wanted to get it polished up before he gets rid of it to bring it back to life a little bit. This Denali, we have done a lot of PPF work on it. Tailgate, doors, I believe, full front clip, rockers. It's back in for some work to get done on it. Next to it, Ford F-150 King Ranch, new body style. I'm actually not sure if we had a King Ranch F-150 in yet, but it's here to get a ceramic coating as well, waiting to get started on it. And then there's only one car out front today. We have a McLaren MP412C. It was here a while ago to get PPF replaced. That was failing. Whenever we were moving film on it, unfortunately some paint got pulled. So the customer went to a really good body shop, got a beautiful paint job put back on it. Paint cured up. We got the front bumper and the mirrors protected on it, so it's ready to go home. And yeah, that's everything that's going on in LATROBE. We'll send it up to Gibsonia, let them tell you what's going on up there.
All right, guys, it's Wednesday, so let's take a look in the back of our Gibsonia shop. Before we go in the back, we have a special guest here today. We have Kevin from the LATROBE shop. Say what's up, Kevin.
What's up?
All right, let's take a walk in the back. Here we have a 2015 GMC Yukon. We hear all the time, my vehicle's too old, I cannot do paint protection film. This shows that it's not true. This is a 2015, it's a clean 2015, but it got full front paint protection film. We did PPF on the entire front bumper, the entire hood, the two front fenders and the mirror caps, and tinted the two front windows and a 20% window tint to match the factory tinted back windows. Next up, we have a 2023 Ford Maverick. This got a full body paint correction and XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire truck. Over here we have Mark working on a full correction and coating on a 2022 GLE. Before this got the works on the ceramic coating, it got full frontal paint protection film. We did the entire front bumper, the full hood, 2 front fenders, and the mirror caps. We also tinted the 2 front windows in our Prime XR 20% tint to match the back windows. In the tint bay is this brand new Chevy Traverse. This one from our friends at St. Barnabas Auto, Rudolph Auto Sales. This is getting our Prime CS 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window, along with a 5% windshield visor. Also in the tint bay is this police interceptor from our friends at Indiana Township Police Department. We did some vinyl on this vehicle about a week and a half ago, and it's back in the shop now for some window tint on the 2 front windows and a windshield visor. Up on the left, we have a 2023 BMW M440 Grand Coupe. This one from our friends at Sewickley BMW. This is getting the final touches after getting our track package and luggage kit. We're just heating all the edges to ensure once it hits these Pennsylvania roads covered in snow and salt, that nothing will happen to the paint protection film. All right, that's all for here in Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Patrick in Miami.
What's going on, everybody? It's finally Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on this week down here at the Miami location. All right, we'll start out here real quick. This is a 2023 Corvette C8. This one belongs to Car Renters Club. It was just in for a quick cleanup. The seats are like a white leather. We previously coated them with ceramic, but they were definitely dirty from the amount of times it's been rented out. So we just cleaned them up real quick, and we're going to do an exterior wash to get it cleaned up, and it'll be heading back to them. It's finally Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on this week down here at the Miami location. Everyone's working hard over there, devouring their food. All right, so we got a 2023 Range Rover Evoque. This one came in for the XPEL XR fronts, and it's also getting the full front clip protected with the XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. So they are in the process of working on that right now. So this one will be wrapped up today and will be ready to go home tomorrow. Then the full wrap of the week is this 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. This one is getting a full XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film wrap. So you can see they did the hood already, so you can see they're letting the edges dry before they wrap and tuck them. But yeah, every single panel on this truck is going to get wrapped and protected with the paint protection film. And it's also going to be getting the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over the entire truck. This truck's gonna look really, really nice when it's all done. So that's all that we have going on here this week at the Miami location. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let us know how we're doing. Thank you. See you next week.
All right, let's get this gravy train rolling.